A new hands-on video claiming to reveal the Galaxy S26 Ultra has popped up online, and at first glance, it looks shockingly real. The footage, shared by trusted leaker Ice Universe, shows what appears to be an official retail box sitting beside a Galaxy S26 Ultra unit. It feels legit. Almost too legit. Look closer though, and the illusion starts to crack. The box design is spot on, clean, minimal, and perfectly in line with Samsung's recent Galaxy packaging. The phone's silhouette on the front and the S Pen placed neatly beside the device make the whole setup feel carefully staged, almost cinematic. But there's a detail you can't ignore. The phone sits loosely inside the box. Samsung's real retail packaging usually locks the device in place with a precise, snug fit. This one doesn't. Inside the box, the Galaxy S26 Ultra does line up with previously leaked computer-aided design renders. The shape, the layout, the proportions all check out. Still, the camera lenses give it away. The finish looks slightly off, not quite premium enough for a final retail unit. That points to one thing. This is almost certainly a dummy model.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Samsung has always pushed the limits with brighter OLED panels on its flagship Galaxy phones. With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the company hit a sweet spot using an OLED panel that can shine at a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. Now, all eyes are on next year's Galaxy S26, and rumors suggest Samsung is moving to a new M14 series OLED panel. Leaker Ice Universe confirms this upgrade, but don't get your hopes up for more brightness. The entire S26 lineup, including the Ultra, will still top out at 2,600 nits. But that's not necessarily a disappointment. 2,600 nits is already impressively bright. And here's the exciting part. Unlike the Pixel 10 and other Android phones, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature Corning's Gorilla Armor 2 or an updated version with anti-reflective coating. That's a far bigger win than an extra few hundred nits, cutting down reflections and giving you a crystal clear viewing experience. Rumors are also swirling about a new privacy display technology debuting on the S26 Ultra. Imagine your screen automatically dimming in crowded places to keep sensitive info, like banking apps, hidden from prying eyes. If this works as expected, it's a far more meaningful upgrade than simply boosting brightness. And there's another hidden advantage. The M14 OLED panels are more power efficient, with Samsung likely keeping the same 5,000 mAh battery in the S26 Ultra. A more efficient display could quietly extend your battery life, squeezing out extra hours without changing the cell itself.